Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your Wednesday, December 10th stock market update. So as we know, today was the big day, the big announcement from the Fed regarding interest rates. And at the time I'm making this video, it's 3 o'clock, so the market is not closed. So I don't know how it will finish towards the end. But at the current moment, it is a mixed day in the stock market as the Fed has announced that they will cut interest rates by 1/4 point, exactly what we've been talking about all week. Again, remember, this has already been priced in from last week. So not a surprise that there's not been a move. But what's important to note is what's going to happen in the near-term future. At the time I'm making this video, Jerome Powell is still on the stage, but he's said a few things that are key to note. When asked about the economy, Jerome Powell said, "We're well positioned to see how the economy evolves." He did mention that he does foresee inflation going up, the job market decreasing, which is not going to be a good thing. And he admitted that they're in a difficult situation. But when asked if they're going to be hiking rates, he said, "I don't think a rate hike is anybody's base case right now. I'm not hear that." There was at one point a bit of speculation if he's going to be stepping down from the chair of the Fed, but that was not announced today. And he did mention a couple other points that were interesting. He mentioned that the median GDP projection for next year was somewhat higher than what they were anticipating back in September. And he foresees that softer labor market. And the biggest thing to note here is he said that there's no risk-free path in 2026 after a third interest rate cut of the year. I did see some sources that he was expecting maybe one interest rate cut the entirety of next year. So, as you guys know, I give you guys the news. I don't tell you what stocks to buy. That's not what I'm here to do. But given all this news, I would be very cautious going into next year. And I will keep you guys updated if there's any more updates from Jerome Powell's side and after his press meeting. But for now, peace.